Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to learn how to design this part. Let's see how we are going to design it. To design this part, I'll take Sketch tool and take a top plane first. I'll create the top view of this part. So I'll take one rectangle and I'll specify the size of rectangle. This to be 64 and this is 75. We'll specify one circle, one more circle, and we'll specify the distance between them is 50. We'll specify the size of circle. Outer circle I have 20 radius, means 40 diameter. Inner circle that will be of 16 diameter. We can convert this into radius. Now I'll make this circle and this to be horizontal. Now make a closed loop. Now I want to extrude this portion separately and this portion separately. So I'll just trim this, and I need some holes also. So for that we can create direct circles. We'll specify them equal and 16 diameter. We can make this equal also. Instead of giving diameter value, we can specify this circle is equal to this circle, and we'll specify the between distance, that is 44, and we'll specify half distance, that is 22. So that will be exactly center, and we'll make that circle to be in vertical position and the circle also the origin. This circle also vertical position. Now we'll exit. We'll go to features and extrude command. We'll select this portion and we'll specify the distance, that to be 20, and OK. Now I'll select the same sketch. We'll go to extrude and we'll select the selected contour method and we'll select this portion. This portion have a depth of 12. We'll do OK. Now I have to specify a fillet at these edges. So we'll take fillet tool, select this edge and this edge, and we'll specify the radius value, that is 20, and do OK. Now I want to make one feature on this. So we'll select this face, sketch on it. We'll take corner rectangle and we'll create the rectangle from this corner. We'll specify this and this to be collinear, and total distance of this to be 32. I'll make one elongated hole. We'll specify the size of the slot to be 44, 6 radius, and position from here, that is 16, and we'll maintain exactly at middle by defining the origin and the point to be vertical position, and exit. We'll make extrude. We'll define the direction opposite to that, total 12 distance, and OK. Now I want to make round the corners. We'll use fillet tool. Now we'll apply fillet command. So we'll go to fillet tool. We'll select this edge and this edge. We'll specify the radius value, that is 16, and OK. Now this portion that I have designed this side, I need another side. So for that we'll do mirror it. So we'll select this portion and the fillet tool, and we'll go to mirror command in 3D. Now what I need a mirror plane. So we'll check we have plane at center or not. So here I have right plane, we'll use the right plane. If plane is not there, first we'll create the plane and then we'll mirror it. So we'll select the right plane here and do OK. Now let's apply some appearance on this. We'll go to the option edit appearance. So we can choose some appearance method. I'll take creamy gloss plastic. OK. Now I want to see, so here I want to see all the 4 view of this model. We'll go here and we'll click 4 views, so where we can see front, top, left and isometric view. If I want to see that hidden view and all, so we can change the view display and we can see the internal things also in the view that is directly not visible. So this is how we have created this part body. Thank you for watching this video.